Let's learn pronouns in French. Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to my channel all about life. Today we will learn pronouns in French. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel. On commence maintenant. First one is je, which means I. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Je. Oui, très bien. Then it's tu. Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Tu. You can use this for your friends and in the informal language. Then we have il, which means he. What is it? Il. Oui, très bien. Next is elle. What is it? Elle. This is for she. Then it's nous. What is it? Nous. This is for we. Then it's vous. What is it? Vous. This is used for you in the plural form or for the formal language. You can also use vous for a singular person who is senior to you. Then it's il, which is used for male people in the plural form. Or you can say it's they for male person in English. Then we have elle. What is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Elle. This is used for female person in the plural form. Same in this case, it's they for female person in English. Finalement, say on. What is it? On. It's equivalent to let's in English. Examples: let's go, on va, let's do, on fait. Okay, c'est tout, c'est fini. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for learning French with me. C'est votre tour maintenant. It's your turn now. What is oui in French? Do you remember? Oui. C'est nous. What is she in French? Let me remember. Wait. Yes. It is elle. Très bien. What is il in French? Yes. Très bien. What is it? They. For masculine in plural. And what is vous used for in French? Yes. What is it? You in plural form. Très bien. Clear your doubts in the comment box. Check the description box for French apps, games and many more. Today's keyword is voici. What is it? Voici. It means here is. Press the bell icon for my latest videos. Au revoir. Merci. À bientôt.